Yung depression, gawa-gawa ng mga tao yan. Gawa ng sabi mo,
We smile, we laugh, but sometimes we struggle in silence.
Mental health, something we all have. But too often, it's the one thing we hide the most. Anxiety, stress, and even the depression are more common than we think. Many people silently struggle every single day. And that's okay. Having a hard time doesn't mean you're weak, it means you're human. Reaching out for help is not a failure, but of courage. Talking to a trusted friend or a family member. Writing down your thoughts in a journal. Taking breaks and practicing self-care. You're not alone. Turn to God, find strength in faith. Stay active, play sport or games. Asking for professional support when you need it. Sometimes, just being there for someone, listening without judgment can make all the difference. Your words can heal, your kindness can save lives. We all have a role to play. Let's break the stigma. Let's make mental health a normal conversation. Just like we talk about physical health. Together we can create a safe, supportive, and compassionate community. Online and offline, you are not alone. It's okay not to be okay. Speak up, seek up, support one another. Your mental health matters. Be kind to your mind. No health without mental health. You're not alone. Speak up, reach out, help out. Hashtag mental health awareness.